Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach Node.js. There are many students request me to teach Node.js, so that I plan to teach Node.js today. So first, how to install Node.js. So let's go to the Google. You just type Node.js. Press enter key. This is the official website for Node.js. You just click on the Node.js website. Here you just click on this one for download this Node.js, right? So if you click this one, it will be downloaded in your machine. After downloaded, I already downloaded this one, so I just cancel it. After downloaded, you just it is straightforward. You just click next, you will be installed Node.js. After install Node.js, you just go to the C drive exam. C drive, you have to it's a program file. It's a program file Node.js. You can see here Node.js. Here this is the path. Okay, this is Node.js path. This is very essential stuff. You just select all the path, copy, go to the this PC. Otherwise, you just go to the your here and this PC. We just select here as this PC. Right click, properties. Here we have go to the advanced system setting, environment variable. Here you have to click select the path, right? Here I already select your new. You have to type path, right click here, after that colon. Don't forget this one, you have to put here, right at the end here. Click OK to set the path, Node.js path, then only it will be work, right? After set the path, you will be able to check here whether Node.js installed in your machine success or not. You just go to the command node, you have to check the version node b, right? I have installed the Node.js. This is the version I have installed my machine. Okay, this is a version I have installed. Okay, you can check here 12. This is a version I have installed your machine, right? It's a version, right? It's installed. Okay, now what I am going to do is here, after that I am going to go to work with the project. Okay, small project I am going to work with. So I am the Node.js. Which editor you will be work on Node.js? I recommend that you have using VS Code. This is the Visual Studio Code. This the editor is very easy to work with the Node.js program. Very easy stuff. Okay, you will be able to download and use it. Visual Code, right? Okay, you just download and use it. After you download it, you will be able to get the this one. You can get it here, VS Code, right? I just download like this one, right? So here is a portable version. I download it. Double click and open the portable version. It's coming like this, right? Now it's simple, right? So now first what I am going to do is here, after install Node.js, we will be able to create this is a command prompt, right? This run. You just go to the right click, run cmd. If you type cmd, click OK. You just have a command prompt like this. Now I am going to create the folder in my F drive. This F drive, I am going to create the folder. Let's create as Linux, right here. Let's create as a cmd DOS format. It's very easy stuff, right? So because the Node.js is very useful for all in terminal, right? So first I am going to how to travel to F drive. You just click F hyphen, click, press enter key. You can go here. Now you are in the F drive, right? If you click here, right? Now F drive, I am going to create a folder. So how to create the folder in F drive is mkdir. By which folder you have create, you have named the folder Node.js ex, right? This exercise folder, right? Press enter key. Now your folder has been created. You can check here F drive, date modified, today date will check. This is the folder I have created, Node.js ex, right? So Node.js ex folder will create it, right? This is how we have created the folder. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to open this folder in my VS Code, right? So editor. So go to the file, open folder. Which folder you have created? Select this one. Okay, this is a folder you have created. You just open, select the folder and open. Now your folder has been opened successfully, but there will be no files, Node.js, no files there, right? Empty folder you have to get it, right? So how to install the Node.js project, right? So first go to the VS Code terminal here, new terminal. Now you are already in the your project folder, F drive. Your folder reside on the F drive, Node.js.ex. This is your folder name. You are now inside in the folder name, right? You are now here. Okay, this point you are there here. Okay, now here in this point, inside this folder, I am going to create my Node.js file. So first you have to install npm init. Press enter key. It asks your package name. You just press enter key, enter key, enter key. We don't need this one. Press right. Yes, you have to press yes. You give yes. Click OK. Right. Now you can get the package.json. Right. Okay, these are all the modules you have to get here. Here, this is a main file, is a index.js. This is master, okay, index.js, right? This is run, right? So now first, what I am going to do is see this all the packages just are here. Okay, now I am not install any Express, any package modules I am not installed, just blank. So first, what I am going to say as a blank, as a fresher, first you have to learn how to create the new file, right? I am going to create the new file as index.js. This is a main file, right? So how to create is go to the new file. Okay, I am going to name the file here as index.js. Press enter key. Okay. Now here I am going to create the simple hello world application. So you have to write normal JavaScript here. Okay, console.log, the same JavaScript, console.log here hello world. Right. Now here at the end you have to put it here, the simple one. After done this one, you must save the application. And how to run the application, this simple command you have to write, right? In Java, how to you have to run the program, Java C, the file name .java. The same thing here as well. The extension will be JS. This is Node.js, extension will be JS. Here you have to write node, what is the file name? Index.js. Press enter key. Hello will be displayed. Right. Now you will be successfully wrote the hello world here. Now I am going to write the numbers, right? So I am going to write the number. So number, if it is a string, we need a double quotation mark. Number we no need that. You just enter the without double quotation mark. After done any changes, you must save it. Again you have to execute the command. 2 will be displayed. Right. Now I need to add 2 numbers. So you have to input 2 numbers, right? So how to input? I am going to input 2 plus 2. Here we have to copy this all the stuff. Control C to copy, Control V to paste this all the stuff. Here we have to minus it, this one. This is the addition, subtraction, all the arithmetic operators I am going to give here. Now let's look at the result. What the results will be. Right, that's right. Now let's run it and check it. Click on here. Right. 4 0 4 divide by 1. Right? This is a result. Right. Very simple. This is how we have to work with the Node.js application. Right. Now another thing we have to do another simple example. How to create a variable. Variable creation, we have to use the keyword var variable name. Okay. Right. Now how to print this one? Console.log A. If you execute it, nothing will be happen. So let's undefined. No, here result should be undefined because I haven't assigned anything else. Now if you look at here, if it is 5, what happened? The result will be. Now what your 5 will be, it is assigned to the A. What's the value in reside on A? 5. 5 will be printed over here. Right. Now let's check. 5 is the answer. Right. Simple. Right. Now how to add 2 numbers using variables. Right. Now let's look at the concept over here. Very simple. Var. Here we have got number 1 5. Right. The same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Number 2 5. Right. Now here how to this number we have to call it, right? We have to multiple ways. First is number 1 plus number 2, right? 5 is assigned to the number 1, this 5 is assigned to the number 2, So num1 you have to get it here, number 2 get it here. What is the operator you have used? Plus. Then what happen is it should be added and display the result, right? Result should be displayed as 10. Simple, right? Now the simple way, another way, you have to create another bar dot equal num1 plus num2. Now you can check the answer, what the answer would be, right? Control C to copy this one, you have to paste it here, Control V to paste it, right? Now let's check out what is the answer would be, right? So let's run out, right? 10 will be the answer. Simple. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to do another exercises, student marks calculation system, right? I am going to cover about all the basics part of Node.js, right? So here first I am going to input 3 student marks, right? Marks 1 25, sorry 75, marks 2 70, marks 3 I have to add another variable, create the variable, Control C to copy, marks 3 50, right? Now how to calculate these values? So dot Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, this is Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, third one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? So I have to calculate these 3 marks and we have to print the total first, total is display. After that I am going to calculate the average. So how to average the average? So we have to write var, we have to average avg equal dot divide by number of subjects 3, right? After that this is the number of subjects, you have to divide by 3. So the same controls, this console.all, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here we have to put it as average. Now you will be able to calculate the average over here. Save. Now you can check here what would be the result. Right, result should be fine. Okay, it's working fine. Now I am going to go to create the grade. So when you are calculating the grade of the student, imagine if the student's average more than 50, grade will be pass, otherwise grade will be fail, right? Okay, keep on this condition when you are calculating the grade. So if you are calculating the when you are writing the condition, you must start with if, right? If average greater than 50, the average is greater than 50, open and close bracket, right? Same thing here. What will be the result? Console.log, result should be false, otherwise fail. Console.log dot fail. The simple way we have to write the Node.js application, right? Very simple. Now let's execute the program and check what would be the result, right? Why but it's not right. Okay, now here we haven't this one here, pass should be displayed, right? So here we have to write this same thing, Control X to cut off, Control V to paste below. Right. Now we have to save it here. Now we run it again, right? Here this is your total, this is the average, pass should be pass because the average is greater than 50, 66 is greater than 50, so result should be pass. So it's working perfectly well. This is how we are working with the Node.js very simple way. Okay. Now let's see how to work with the function, right? So it's very easy stuff. So I have created a separate file also. So this is index.js. I am going to create another file. You can create, right click and new file, otherwise you can create over here. So here you have to write ex.js. I am going to create another file, press enter key, it's created. Ex.js, I just create the name of this file. Here I am going to create the function .hi. It's a function I am going to create hi. Inside the function I am going to print one message, right? Console.log. This is very important stuff, right? Be careful. Okay, here I am going to write welcome Node.js, right? Now here this message I am going to import into index.js, right? So how to import into a Node.js here is, so you write model. So write model model dot exports equal the function name, which is a hi. You have to write a function name like this. This is how you have to import the stuff, right? This is how you have to import the stuff, right? Now let's go where you are import index.js. So how to import here is you must learn this one. Okay, how to import here is very simple. You have to write here. You have to write the names. I just gave the name is example. Just any name you can give here. You have to required the file name. File name outright here is a root. You have to write the root, right? Here write dot. Here you have to write the ex. This file reside here. This es. Once the es message is there, you have to print on here. Okay. Now let's save all. Now how to run this one is here. You have to run. If you import this one index node index, press enter key. Nothing will be happen. Why? What's the problem? So we have tried. Alright, I didn't save it. That's the thing. You have to save it, right? The unsaved, right? That's right. Right now here again, I am going to pin it here. So what's the problem? Right, the ex I didn't save it. I think. Right here I have to save it. Right here I just write this one. I didn't save it. Right now it's working. Right. Welcome Node.js. Right. Okay. Not welcome Node.js. Right. What I did here is we have to call it here. This function we have to call it to index.js, right? I wrote the function in separate file. This separate file function I have to call it in Node.js. It is very simple here, right? You have just write here. You have to call it what is inside this function. Here I simply give here what I want, right? Model export. I just want to import hi. What is reside on the hi function? I have to import, right? So this if you put like this, it is importing. Then when you call the this class name over here, what is there, it is printing and display the message. That is the thing I have gave here, right? If you are writing something else, I need only if you welcome only here. If you save, now again we will be run the file here, welcome, right? Very simple one in Node.js. You must learn this stuff for the beginner of Node.js. Thank you for watching. In my next tutorial, I will be continuing another good lesson of Node.js. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.